Firstly, guys, welcome to the channel, Sumo's Projects. Now, I've purchased this FESTOOL track saw because I had the opportunity to make some videos for Carbatec, and in return for a nominal payment, I received e-gift cards. So I've saved up several of those, and that was the ability for me to go and purchase this, my first ever FESTOOL track saw. So I was wrapped, and it's absolutely beautiful. Straight out of the box and just pushing a few buttons, you can see why FESTOOL is a renowned brand of high quality. And just looking at the components that come out, this is a nice soft lead, and you've got scales everywhere in metric. Yeah, first impression is it's pretty good. Look at this. It's even got a riving knife. The stars are starting to align here. I love it. It feels really good ergonomically, and yeah, nice and solid and tight. So we're off to a good start. How's this thing work? German. Original Betriebsanleitung Tauschsäge. What the hell does that mean? Oh, original operating manual plunge cut saw. Might have to look into that page. Just plugged it in. Let's give it a spin. Not cutting anything here, just seeing what's going to happen here. That has a big wow factor. Soft start, soft stop. Mind blowing. This is the speed dial here. You can lock it into a certain speed. Now, it comes equipped with a dust port that fits primarily the FESTOOL dust extraction system, but if you take it out, it'll fit onto a shop vac. And I think this is really good because those FESTOOL shop vacs, they're quite expensive, so good on you, FESTOOL, for allowing other players to come and play with the FESTOOL range of things. Now here we have a metric sliding scale. This is your depth set for your blade, and that just works nice and easily. Looking at the here we have our angles, so we can loosen off a few things and then set it to a desired angle, and we lock it in again at the back and front, and you're ready to cut some pieces on the angles. To operate the trigger, it's a safe process. You've got to activate two levers, one at the top, and then you can pull down on the trigger. And once you've got it set to your depth, which I've nominated here to about 19-20 millimetres, to take a cut through some material I have lined up. And the power cord that plugs into the back of the machine is nice and easy to find that port. Now this is the gauge. This is the track, I should say, 1400 millimetre track, and it's good fun to play with. But we've got to get serious and do a little bit of work. So let's lock down a bit of material and give it the maiden voyage. So getting your measurement for the material thickness, I said about 20 millimetres I'm going to plunge down, and as I do, it goes all the way through. So just my first time here, just got to get a little used to the control. This is a splinter guard that works to avoid splinters, I'd say. Here we have a couple of dial-in things at the back and front that not lock, but they eliminate any sideway movements with the track saw, and I've got that nice and smooth, and away we go. Cut that splinter guard and have some fun. So guys, there you go. In summary, what can I say? It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. It's worth the cost of what this machine gives you. And for people in trades and even the keen long-term woodworker hobbyists, I recommend probably, if you're able to, save up, get yourself one of these or something equivalent. But this is magnificent, as you can see. Can't take the smile off my face. So thanks for watching. Till next time, hooroo.